Adding a custom domain to Bitly. Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll show you 2 ways to add a custom domain to Bitly so you can create branded short links that make your URLs look like they belong to you. Instead of bit.ly/x7k2m, your links can become yourbrand.link/promo. How? Well, you set up a custom domain that replaces Bitly's domain with yours. Think about it. People trust what they recognize. And when they see your brand in the link, they're more likely to click. Whether you want to use a domain that you already own or claim a complimentary domain that comes with certain paid Bitly plans, we've got you. First, let's decide which route is right for you. Option A, use a domain you already own or purchase one from a provider like GoDaddy. This gives you complete control and is great if you already have a specific domain in mind. Option B, claim a complimentary domain from Bitly. This option is available with some paid plans and uses Bitly's smart generator to help you find the perfect domain based on your business description. It's quick, convenient, and requires no separate domain purchase. We'll walk through both so that you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Let's start with option A, adding your own domain. To add a domain you own, there are 2 prerequisites. First, you need to already own a custom domain. If you haven't purchased one yet, you can get one from providers like GoDaddy or similar services. Keep in mind, it is important to choose a short domain with 32 characters or less, including the dot. Second, you must configure your domain name system, also known as DNS, settings to point your domain to Bitly. This is the technical step that makes your branded links actually redirect to your destination URLs. See the link in this video's description for our DNS configuration guide that provides detailed instructions. You will definitely want to reference that. Once that's settled, here are the steps in Bitly to take. Log in to your Bitly account and click on Custom Domains in the left sidebar. Select Connect a domain you already own, and then click Next. Enter your registered custom domain, like yourbrand.link. Next, tell Bitly how you're using this domain. Is it an unused domain dedicated entirely to short links, or is it a subdomain of your main website? Make your selection and click Next. It is critical that you configure your DNS settings for your domain to work properly. Log into your domain provider and follow the steps in our DNS configuration guide. Remember, that link is in the description below. Don't skip this. Without proper DNS setup, your domain won't verify and your links won't work. After confirming that your DNS settings are configured correctly, click Add Domain. Your domain will now go through verification, which typically takes less than 24 hours. Once verified, you're ready to create branded links. You did it! If that whole talk about DNS and servers causes you a little pause like it does me, don't worry. This next option is the perfect hassle-free setup. Option B, claiming a complimentary domain from Bitly. Once you're logged in to your Bitly account, click Custom Domains in the left sidebar. Click Get a Complimentary Domain through Bitly, and click Next. Here's where the fun begins. You can either search for a domain yourself or have our smart generator give you recommendations. To use the generator, enter a short description of your business. The more descriptive you are, the better results. Share what makes your brand unique, what you do, maybe even your brand personality. Bitly's AI will use this information to present available custom recommendations for you. Once you've entered your description, click Generate. Have fun with it. You can have a short link name that really shows off your brand personality. Bitly offers several top-level domains within this complimentary domain offering, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. When you find a custom domain you love, click Select. Then click Confirm to finalize your choice. Your custom domain may take between 24 and 48 hours to verify. This is a bit longer than the owned domain option because Bitly is handling the entire domain registration process for you. If it hasn't been verified in 48 hours, reach out to Bitly support team for help. Once verified, you're all set to start creating branded links with your new custom domain. And the best part, you didn't need to deal with DNS configurations or domain registrars. Bitly handled it all for you. Time to celebrate again! Before we wrap up, here are some things to keep in mind. You can set up custom error pages. Whether you choose option A or B, it's smart to configure custom error pages. These appear when someone tries to navigate directly to your custom domain or uses an invalid short link. It's a professional touch that maintains your branded experience and prevents confusion. Another thing, if your domain doesn't verify within the expected time frame, don't panic. For owned domains, the issue is usually with DNS configuration. Double check those settings. For complementary domains, please wait the full 48 hours before contacting support. Need more help? The Bitly Help Center has comprehensive guides on custom domains, DNS configuration, and other items for troubleshooting. Don't hesitate to use those resources or reach out to our customer support team. And that's everything. You now know how to add a custom domain to Bitly. Whether you're using your own domain or claiming a complimentary one from Bitly, both paths lead to the same great result: professional, branded short links that reinforce your identity and build trust with your audience. Until next time,